morning, it's Hannah with WTI. I love to be outside and I love to feel cozy. Life Giving Warmth has come up with this amazing portable heating blanket to keep you warm no matter where you are. The first thing I noticed when I received this was how high quality everything is, including the carrying bag, the blanket, the stitching, the material. It is really, really top notch. So what sets this heating blanket apart from others is that it's portable. There's a battery pack that you charge, and then you can take this wherever you want outside. So in the inside of the blanket, that's why it's called the Cozee. This is the softest material I have ever felt. They have these amazing hand pockets. Put your hands in, and then you can just wrap yourself up. A super nice informative video on how to use it and get the most out of it. It's well worth a couple minutes to watch it because you learn so much about this blanket and how to use it correctly and how to really get the most out of it. Especially in winter, I love having heated blankets to just cuddle up with on the couch, but I always have to determine where I lay based on where my outlets are. But with this, I can take it up and around the house with me. I can stay wrapped up in it. It's especially nice if you have a loved one who gets cold a lot. I know my mom and my mother-in-law both get really cold, so this is just nice to have around, because if we're out and about with them, especially in the evening when it starts cooling down, it's so nice to be able to let them still enjoy time with our family, but they also get to stay warm. If you're looking for the coziest thing in the world, it's right here. Cuddle yourself up and stay nice and toasty no matter where you are, in the middle of the woods, on the beach, in your house, in the car, anywhere. It's portable. And that's my point of view.